How to access insights on Instagram. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application. Make sure that you are in the professional account and not on your personal account. Now, once you're there, click on the profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, basically it will route you to your profile page. Now, once we're here in our profile page, all we need to do is to click on this three horizontal line in the upper right hand corner and click on it. Now here, you will see different options. Click on Insights. And there you can see your overview, how many people has reached your Instagram account, engagements, and also total followers. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.